Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Home button in Google Chrome and customize it to suit your preferences. This is a handy feature that allows you to quickly access a specific web page with just one click. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Once you have Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots. This is the menu button. Click on these three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various options for your browser. On the left side of the Settings page, you'll see a menu with different categories. Click on Appearance to access the settings related to the appearance of your browser. Now, to turn on the Home button, you need to enable the option that says Show Home button. Simply click the toggle switch next to this option to turn it on. Once you enable it, you'll notice that two additional options appear. The first option allows you to set the Home button to open a new tab. By selecting this option, whenever you click the Home button, you'll be taken to a new tab page. This is useful if you prefer to start fresh with a new tab every time you click the Home button. The second option allows you to enter a custom web address. By selecting this option, you can specify a particular website that you want to open whenever you click the Home button. For example, I've entered google.com as my custom web address. Now, whenever I click the Home button, I'll be taken directly to the Google homepage. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Home button in Google Chrome and customized it to your liking. This feature can save you time and make your browsing experience more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.